you to transport tools, machinery, and containers. Without any hassle, bed mats are easy to clean and maintain. You can quickly remove them from the truck bed and simply rinse off the dirt, debris, or spills, leaving your bed liner as good as new. Installing a bed liner provides great protection for your truck bed. If you are looking for the best bed liner for your truck, check the link in the description and find the option that suits you the best. Need more room for large cargo? A truck bed extender is the perfect solution, whether you're hauling lumber, bikes, or kayaks. Sometimes your truck bed just isn't long enough. A bed extender gives you that extra space while keeping everything secure and properly supported. The best part? It's versatile. Flip it outward for longer loads or inward to keep smaller items from sliding around. And when you don't need it, it folds away neatly without taking up space. If you're tired of struggling with oversized gear, this upgrade makes loading and unloading easier than ever. Check out the best options in the description below. If you're an adventure lover, a roof rack crossbar set is a must-have. Whether you need to carry bikes, kayaks, cargo carriers, or even a rooftop tent, these bars free up truck bed space while giving you a secure way to transport your gear. They're sturdy, aerodynamic, and easy to install, ensuring a perfect fit for your Santa Cruz. If you need even more hauling capacity, we've also linked a bed rack option for extra versatility. Ready to take your adventures to the next level? Check out the best roof racks in the description. Now let's talk about something that adds safety and smart functionality: a dash cam. A dash cam is one of the smartest investments for your truck. It records everything while you drive, giving you proof in case of accidents, hit and runs, or unexpected incidents. Modern dash cams come with night vision, parking mode, and motion detection, ensuring 24/7 protection. Plus, some models even have Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, so you can access your footage anytime. If you want peace of mind every time you hit the road, check out the top-rated dash cams in the description. Another upgrade that adds both style and safety is an LED tailgate light bar. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights, making your truck more visible on the road, especially at night. Installation is quick and hassle-free, and the result? A sleek, modern look with improved safety. If you want to make your truck stand out while staying safe, we've linked the best tailgate light bars below. And if you love subtle yet impactful customizations, tailgate insert letters are a must-have. These bold, high-quality letters give the Hyundai Santa Cruz branding a 3D effect, making the rear of your truck look more refined and stylish. Whether you choose a matte black, chrome, or carbon fiber finish, these letters blend perfectly with the tailgate design, adding a premium touch without being over the top. They're made from durable, weather-resistant materials, so they won't fade, peel, or crack, even after years of sun exposure, rain, or snow. And the best part? They're super easy to install. Just peel, align, and stick, and your truck has an instant style upgrade. If you want to add a bit of personality to your Santa Cruz, we've listed the best tailgate insert letters in the description. Now, let's step inside the truck, where small details can make a big difference, like a window switch panel cover. Your window switches are some of the most used interior components, and over time, they can fade, scratch, or show signs of wear. A custom-fit switch panel cover acts as a protective layer, keeping the controls looking brand new while also enhancing the interior's premium feel. Made from high-quality materials like carbon fiber or aluminum, it adds a sleek, high-tech touch to your cabin. The precise fit ensures that the covers blend seamlessly with your truck's design. No gaps, no loose edges, just a perfect factory-like finish. If you want a subtle yet stylish upgrade, check out the best window switch panel covers in the description. And speaking of keeping things neat inside, let's talk about a center console organizer, because nobody likes a cluttered cabin. How often have you lost your keys, misplaced your charger, or had coins rolling around in your console? A custom-fit organizer solves that problem instantly, creating separate compartments for all your small essentials. With designated slots for sunglasses, wallets, pens, and even your phone, you'll never have to dig around aimlessly again. It's made from durable, non-slip material, so your items stay in place even during rough drives. Simple to install, easy to remove for cleaning, and a game changer for daily convenience. We've listed the best center console organizers in the description. But while we're organizing, let's not forget about protecting your dashboard. Over time, sun exposure can cause cracking, fading, and even warping on your dashboard. A custom-fit dash cover acts as a protective barrier, blocking UV rays and reducing glare, while also keeping your truck's interior cool and comfortable. Made from high-quality, breathable fabric, it prevents heat buildup, keeping the dashboard safe from sun damage. Plus, it gives your interior a cleaner, more refined look while reducing annoying windshield reflections. If you want to extend the life of your dashboard while improving aesthetics, check out the best dash covers in the description. Now, let's move back to the center console, because it's not just about organization, but also about comfort and durability. A center console cover adds an extra layer of protection against scratches, spills, and general wear. It's made from soft, padded materials, providing a comfortable resting spot for your arm during long drives. Plus, it's water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about coffee spills or accidental stains. And just like other accessories, it's designed for a perfect fit, giving your interior a clean, upgraded look. If you want to keep your center console looking fresh and feeling great, we've linked the best covers in the description. Now, let's talk about one of the most important interior upgrades: car seat covers. Your seats take daily abuse from spills, pet hair, dust, and wear. Over time, they can fade, crack, or lose their original texture. A high-quality seat cover set not only protects your seats, but also adds comfort and style. These covers come in durable, breathable fabrics, ensuring year-round comfort. Whether you prefer leather, neoprene, or a stylish two-tone design, there's an option to match your truck's interior perfectly. If you want to keep your seats looking brand new, check out the top-rated options in the description. And for those who love off-roading or adventure travel, a front fog light cover is a must-have. Your fog lights are exposed to dirt, rocks, and debris, which can cause scratches, cracks, or even water damage. A protective fog light cover shields them from impact, ensuring they stay in perfect condition for years. They're designed to blend seamlessly with your truck's front end, adding a rugged, sporty look while offering practical protection. If you want long-lasting durability for your fog lights, check out the best covers we've linked in the description. Now, let's talk about beating the heat. With a windshield sunshade, parking under the sun for long hours turns your truck into an oven, making the cabin unbearably hot. A custom-fit sunshade blocks UV rays, keeping the interior cool and preventing dashboard fading. It's lightweight, easy to fold, and quick to install, making it one of the simplest yet most effective upgrades you can add. If you want to protect your interior from sun damage, check out the best windshield sunshades in the description. And finally, let's talk about all-weather protection with a truck cover. Whether you park indoors or outdoors, a high-quality truck cover protects your paint, glass, and trim from rain, dust, tree sap, and UV damage. It's water-resistant, scratch-proof, and designed for a snug fit, keeping your Santa Cruz safe from environmental damage year-round. If you want to keep your truck looking flawless, check out the best truck covers in the description. So, there you have it. 15 must-have upgrades to take your Hyundai Santa Cruz to the next level. Whether you're looking for better protection, added comfort, or a stylish new look, these accessories make a huge difference. And the best part? We've already done the hard work for you. All the top-rated picks are linked right in the description, so you can easily find the best options for your truck. Which upgrade caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more must-have truck accessories and upgrade ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.